Well, there is still a lot of uncertainty about what school will look and feel like this fall, and that can cause a lot of kids to have anxiety. News 8 Now's Mike Thompson shows us how La Crosse schools are preparing to support the mental health of returning students.
From remote learning to social distancing to fewer sports and after-school activities, kids have been dealing with a lot of big changes to their normal school routines over this past year. But La Crosse School District leaders say they're ready to help them navigate through the challenges. As kids start to fill these halls again soon, school leaders know each child will adapt to a new year differently. They've already seen an increase in the number of students dealing with anxiety and depression during the pandemic.
Our students that already struggled with those issues, sometimes they became amplified due to COVID. Some of the students that we saw presenting with some of these issues were kids that we don't normally see coming to our student services staff for support.
And it's not just older students. Mental health issues are happening across grade levels, just presenting in different ways. Even kids who are high achievers have been affected.
Sometimes we saw more disengagement, students that really wanted to be engaged and were impacted by the lack of that social input actually became less engaged in their schoolwork and in their classes as a result.
The good news, there are a lot of resources available across the district to help out.
From support from our school-based student services staff, our counselors, our social workers, our school psychologists, our school nurses, who can provide support day-to-day in the classroom or support to families. We have partnerships and where we work with community counselors and providers to come into our school and provide counseling and therapeutic services right in our school.
The district is also starting a new partnership with Gunderson Health System this year called the Student Family Assistance Program. 2 Gunderson employees will be able to provide free counseling and mental health services to students and families who may not otherwise have access.
The district is also focusing on social emotional learning. The goal is to reinforce these skills so kids are able to better handle adversity.